Imagine a scene so bizarre, so improbable it sounds like a tall tale spun from the dusty plains of the American West. Picture this: Fruita, Colorado, 1945. A small, unassuming farming town nestled in the heart of the state, where life moved at a slower pace, and the most exciting event of the week might be the Saturday market. On one ordinary day, farmer Lloyd Olson heads to the coop, axe in hand, with a simple task in mind: to prepare a chicken for the evening meal. Among the clucking and pecking, he spots a sturdy rooster named Mike, seemingly no different from the others. Little did Lloyd know this particular chicken was about to become a legend. He raises the axe, aims for the neck, and chops off Mike's head, a routine act on any farm. But instead of dying, as any reasonable chicken should, something extraordinary happens. Mike stands up, seemingly unfazed by his lack of a head. He shakes his feathers as if trying to dislodge an irritating fly, and then, incredibly, tries to peck for food, his movements jerky and confused, but undeniably alive. Against all odds, Mike the Headless Chicken lived for an astonishing 18 months, defying expectations and baffling scientists. He became a national sensation, his story spreading like wildfire across the country, turning him into a scientific marvel, and a testament to the bizarre possibilities of life. The Olsons, initially intending to have him for dinner, instead cared for him with a newfound sense of responsibility and wonder. They meticulously fed him a mixture of grain and water, delivering it directly into his esophagus with an eyedropper. And, crucially, they regularly cleared his throat of mucus with a syringe, ensuring he could breathe, a task vital to his continued survival. Crowds, drawn by the sheer improbability of his existence, paid to see the Headless Wonder. Mike toured the country, becoming a star attraction, appearing in magazines and newspapers, his image gracing covers and captivating the nation. But what made this seemingly impossible feat possible? What quirk of anatomy allowed Mike to defy death for so long? The answer lies in a stroke of luck. The axe missed a crucial part of Mike's brainstem, the control center for many of the body's vital functions. This small but essential piece of tissue was the autopilot system controlling heartbeat, keeping the rhythm of life flowing through Mike's body. It also regulated breathing, ensuring the intake of oxygen, and managed essential reflexes, allowing Mike to react to his environment. With this vital tissue intact, Mike's body kept running, powered by the fundamental processes of life, even without a head. This allowed him to walk, albeit clumsily, maintain his balance, and even attempt to crow, a ghostly echo of his former self. His survival highlights a fascinating aspect of animal biology: how some animals' nervous systems are decentralized, with functions distributed across different regions, unlike our own highly centralized system. Mike's story isn't just a quirky footnote in history, a bizarre anomaly to be chuckled at and forgotten. It's a valuable lesson in biology, offering insights into the resilience of life and the complex workings of the animal kingdom. It's a powerful demonstration showing how life can persist even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. It's a reminder of the unexpected ways nature can surprise us, challenging our preconceived notions about what is possible. He challenged our fundamental understanding of what it means to be alive, forcing us to reconsider the very definition of life itself. To this day, Mike the Headless Chicken remains a potent symbol of nature's resilience, its inherent weirdness, and the enduring power of life against all odds. How can an animal function without its head? The secret is in their wiring. Many animals, especially insects and some birds, have decentralized nervous systems. Instead of one command center, their bodies have multiple managers, ganglia, spread throughout. Each ganglion acts like a mini brain, controlling local movements and reflexes. When the head is removed, these ganglia keep sending signals, allowing the body to move and react. The body runs on preloaded software, executing basic survival programs, no thinking, just reflex. That's why a headless chicken can run, or a cockroach can twitch. It's all automatic. The body responds to stimuli, powered by its built-in wiring. It's a fascinating, eerie glimpse into life's fundamental machinery. If any animal has mastered headless survival, it's the cockroach. Decapitated cockroaches can live for days or weeks, a testament to their unique biology. Their open circulatory system means blood just sloshes around, so losing a head doesn't cause fatal bleeding. Cockroaches breathe through spiracles along their body, not their mouth or nose, so they keep getting oxygen. The wound clots and the body carries on. Eventually, a headless cockroach dies from starvation or infection, not the injury itself. Ganglia in their body control movement, so they can still walk and react to touch. The head is for eating and sensing, not for running the show. Cockroaches are true champions of survival, built to endure almost anything. Their biology is a stunning example of nature's adaptability, headless, but still alive, at least for a while. To understand headless survival, we need to delve into the fascinating world of invertebrate neurology. It's a world where the absence of a central command center, like a brain, doesn't necessarily mean the end of basic life functions. Let's meet the ganglia. Clusters of nerve cells acting as mini-brains, each a self-contained processing unit. These ganglia aren't just simple relay stations, they're capable of making decisions and initiating actions independently. In humans, the brain is the central HQ, the supreme commander directing every action and thought. It's a hierarchical system where information flows upwards for processing and then back down for execution. But in many invertebrates, ganglia are spread along the body, forming a decentralized network of control. This distributed system offers a unique kind of resilience. Each ganglion controls its own segment, managing the muscles and sensory inputs within its area. Think of it like a supervisor in a department, handling day-to-day operations without needing constant input from the CEO. In cockroaches, for example, the thoracic ganglion controls legs, coordinating their complex movements for walking and running, and wings, enabling them to take flight even in the face of danger. So, even without a head, they can walk or fly, a testament to the power of distributed control. The headless body continues to function, driven by these independent neural centers. This decentralized system allows for lightning-fast reflexes, a crucial advantage in the insect world, where survival often depends on split-second reactions. There's no need to wait for the brain's approval, no lag time for processing, the response is immediate and automatic. If a fly's leg is touched, triggering a potential threat, the nearest ganglion triggers a response instantly, initiating a rapid escape maneuver. When decapitated, severing the connection to the brain, the chain of ganglia keeps basic functions going, a remarkable display of biological autonomy. It's a ghostly echo of life, a lingering performance of the body's essential routines. The animal isn't fully coordinated, lacking the brain's integrative control, but its parts still work on autopilot, responding to stimuli, and maintaining basic functions. This is the unique architecture that makes headless survival possible, a testament to the adaptability of life. It's a stark contrast to our own brain-centric design, highlighting the diverse strategies that evolution has crafted for survival. Our brains are incredible processing centers, constantly juggling a myriad of tasks, but not everything we do requires conscious thought. Reflexes and thoughts are worlds apart, operating on completely different levels of awareness and control. And that's why some animals, particularly those with simpler nervous systems, can survive decapitation, at least for a little while. It's a gruesome but fascinating demonstration of the power of automatic actions. Thoughts are conscious, deliberate, and require the active participation of the brain. They involve complex processing, weighing options, and making decisions. Reflexes, on the other hand, are automatic, hardwired responses. They're pre-programmed reactions to specific stimuli, designed for immediate action without conscious intervention. Imagine this: you touch a hot stove. Your hand jerks back before you even realize it's hot. There's no time for thinking, no debate about whether or not to move your hand. It's pure, unadulterated reflex. That lightning-fast reaction is thanks to a reflex arc, a neural pathway that bypasses the brain entirely. In creatures like chickens and insects, much of their behavior, from pecking for food to escaping predators, is governed by these pre-programmed reflexes. These actions are essential for survival, allowing them to react quickly to their environment. Their nervous systems are built for automatic responses, prioritizing speed and efficiency over complex thought processes. It's about immediate reaction, not conscious decisions. Remove the head, the seat of conscious thought, and the body can still run these basic programs, these ingrained reflexes that dictate movement and behavior. Running around like a chicken with its head cut off is pure spinal reflex in action, a testament to the power of the body's automatic systems. The spinal cord, now disconnected from the brain, sends frantic signals, creating chaotic, uncoordinated movement. It's a desperate attempt to maintain some semblance of function. In humans, most actions require the brain's intricate coordination. Without it, we're powerless, unable to perform even the simplest tasks. Our reliance on conscious thought is far greater, but for animals driven primarily by reflex, the body's systems keep firing, even in the absence of a brain, creating the illusion of life, a fleeting echo of the animal's former vitality. It's not thinking or feeling, there's no awareness or intention behind the movements. It's just reacting, a cascade of pre-programmed responses playing out in the absence of control. Reflexes are the secret to these bizarre post-decapitation displays, the underlying mechanism that allows for this unsettling phenomenon. The body's autopilot takes over, running on fumes of stored energy and ingrained neural pathways. But it's a temporary state, a final burst of activity before the inevitable decline, if only for a short time. Chickens are a special case. Their survival after decapitation depends on where the cut lands. If the brainstem is spared, as with Mike, basic life functions continue. Even with a full decapitation, the spinal cord's central pattern generators can trigger running and flapping. These are rhythmic motor patterns, not signs of consciousness. The body is a machine executing its last commands, powered by spinal reflexes. The activity lasts only minutes, until oxygen runs out. Mike was a rare exception, a lucky cut, and a fluke of anatomy. For most chickens, the final dance is a brief, ghostly echo of life. Survival after decapitation comes down to breathing and blood circulation. In humans, both are controlled by the brainstem. Sever it, and life ends instantly. Our closed, high-pressure circulatory system means massive blood loss is fatal. Insects like cockroaches breathe through spiracles and have low-pressure, open circulatory systems. Decapitation doesn't stop their breathing or cause fatal bleeding. Their head is mainly for sensing and eating, not for running vital systems. The body handles breathing and circulation independently. That's why a cockroach can live for weeks without a head, while a human can't survive seconds. It's all about how the animal is built. Biology determines the rules of survival. For humans, the head is everything. Our brain is the master controller. All vital functions, heartbeat, breathing, consciousness depend on it. Sever the connection, and the body shuts down instantly. There's no backup system, no autopilot. Our brain is also the source of identity perception and voluntary action. Without it, the body is just hardware with no software. Our centralized design gives us intelligence but makes us fragile. Insects' decentralized systems are more robust for survival but less complex. We traded resilience for consciousness. Our head is our everything. Mike the headless chicken and the cockroach show us life's astonishing resilience. Their stories reveal the diversity of survival strategies in nature. Life isn't always top-down, sometimes it's a grassroots effort, with parts working independently. Headless cockroaches and regenerating starfish challenge our ideas of what it means to be alive. Some creatures can regrow from a single piece or function without a brain. These cases deepen our appreciation for nature's adaptability. There's no single right way to build a living thing. Every animal is a masterpiece of evolution, tailored to its own survival. Headless survival is just one example of life's endless creativity. Nature always finds a way.